So hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Daily Good Update where we analyze good possible intraday overview and scalp entries. So if you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a 1 hour time frame chart in front of us, but we will start with 1 day time frame. So in 1 day time frame, basically price is ranging above this support here, mitigation block. And as we know that price is going upside for the highest resistance area, which is this one. After this test, it will be bearish. Before that, price is ranging here, and as we know, we have the recent breakout structure in daily time frame, which is this one, and price is trying to hold this. This is our support zone. So in daily time frame area, this area should hold if it want to go upside again, and then it will test near about 5377, and then we will see some rejection. Before that, this is just a range here. If price drop massively here, then it can drop to this level. According to daily time frame, this is a good zone from where it can pump again, having liquidity near it. And if we talk about channel, then price is running in this channel here. So if price want to just range, then it will range for this trend line near about 1 more week. If it don't want to go here and test this bottom trend line, it can range here for 1 more week to test this trend line, else there will be a major drop, test of this trend line, and again reclaim of this green zone. So according to daily time frame, it is showing us that already we have tap a structural area, and now price should go upside and break above this high. Now let's see this in 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour time frame, same thing we are watching here. The last breakout structure is this one. I'm just marking the nearest structure, and after that price is moving upside, and we have seen that price is continuously ranging above this order block, and here we can see this is just a liquidity hunting. All are just a liquidity hunting here. Even if price drop, this zone will be your support zone. So according to 4 hour time frame, price is still bullish, but it is ranging here. For the better confirmation, it need and break above this resistance around 5209. Above this, it will be strongly bullish, and it can break above this 5251. We don't need any further retracement in daily time frame, as after this retracement there are retracement criteria will be completed, and after that if price pumps, it have a potential to create new ATH, because it will be creating a 5 waves in trendly direction. And now in 4 hour time frame, we already have this much structure, So according to me, price will continue going upside in 4-hour time frame. Test this area without breaking a 1-day time frame structure, and then we will see a massive rejection. So if price want to reject from this area, it will not break this 4-hour time frame area, and it will continue going upside. It will test here, and then we will see some drop. If you see here, this is the resistance zone, which is our main target, around 5377. Now let's see this in 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame, this is your last breakout structure, and we don't have any 2 candle closing below it. This is all just a liquidity hunting. And whenever we have a liquidity hunting like this, what happens? This is also a breakout structure, so we have 5 waves, but it is on trend side direction, so it doesn't matter. It will try to hold these levels. Then we have this level test, engineering liquidity sweep now, and this is the current resistance. So according to 1-hour time frame, this area is holding. The price of area is 5154. So basically it is bullish right now. It need to hold internal structure now, and this is our internal structure. This is high, this is low, this is higher high, and it should hold this higher low. This is our breakout structure, and this is our bullish zone. Price should hold this area. We already have tested, and after this test, price should pump. See this? It has supply area here, so possibly one more drop. Test of this morning star near this one, around 75, and then again pump. Here we have liquidity hunting and the structural formation. So according to structure, 1-hour structure should hold. This is the internal structure, which is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and price should create a new higher high. After that, a test and pump. So this is the structure according to 1-hour and 30-minute time frame. In 15-minute time frame, the same thing here. Price is trying to hold this area because this is the last area which is holding gold right now for this pump. Look at the pump after this test. So basically it is still bullish, and this area will be good if we get a retest around 75. We have multiple zones here. See this, multiple candles. So I can take a small risk here, and then my target will be first this high, and then on the breakout I will be targeting 5250. In 5-minute time frame, structure is bearish right now. We have this change of character, this breakout structure, This is another breakout structure, and this is resistance, and then it should drop. According to 5 minute, it is bearish. It should at least retest this area again, this one. If rejected here, it should retest here and do not break below this low. Test here, do not break below this low, and again pump to create this. So I will be watching this zone here. This is all our early entry. Best entry will be on the breakout structure and retest. Currently market is in range, so it will create some weird entries like this. We don't have any structural liquidity here. Max liquidity zone is this one. Around 41 to 29, but we will wait. If this morning star forms here, then on the retest we can go long with a small risk, and target will be this high. So this is gold. It should retrace again, retest these zones and again pump. It is still bullish. If we see silver, in silver we were expecting this move yesterday, as it is our 1 hour structural area, and I have told you guys that it is more clear than gold right now. It already have flipped its supply area. Now it will retest it and then continue going upside, and this will be its target. See this? This is how clear structure is. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is our higher low, and we will see a new higher high. BTC is right now bearish. It should hold this bottom green zone to go upside again. If this breaks, we will see a break of this low too, because this is the final 4 hour internal change of character which we are witnessing right now. Below this, it will break this low too. Maximum to this area. DXY is in range, so currencies will be in range too. If you see this, euro is in range. It break below this green zone and retested our target, this red zone again. From here again pump, so currencies are in range too. Let's remove this. It will again test here. If break above, it will test this high. Before that, just a range. AUD have tapped green zone again. This is a range. Currencies are in range until we have the complete direction in DXY. GBP is also in range, did not hold this area. It is bearish now. One hour time frame have developed a change of character. Okay, this is change of character. This is your breakout structure, and this is your resistance area right now. So if price test here, it will be a sell confirmation for this target, like this. So that's it for today. Hope you guys understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Hello sir, can I ask how to enter on retest? If you are entering on retest, you must have a stop loss below a defined area. Just like if you are entering here on this test, your stop loss should be below this low, because this is the area which is holding it. So if price hold this area, it will again go upside. If you are entering here on the retest, your stop loss should be below it. So if price retest it, it will go upside and do not break below this low. Just have a stop loss, because current market is in range. When the retracement start, how can we predict using FIP? It will go where? Most of the time price just retests the discount zones, which is around 50% to 61%. Yeah, 618 zone, 786, and below 50, this 0.5 area, it is a good discount zone for a gain pump. And if you are watching for short, this whip will be on the reverse side. Now this is premium zone. Above 0.5, this is premium zone from where short can again trigger. Current 5-minute structure is still bearish. If you want confirm entry, then you should be waiting for change of character in 5-minute time frame. And we have this PPI news today, so possible again a range till news. Liquidity hunting to the bottom side, then again for this liquidity. So we will wait here. And most of the time we have seen that the starting first quarter of the year is possible a big range. So one more week this range can last. After that, a possible directional waves will form. Any other questions, or should we end this session over here? Okay, there are no questions, then we will like to end this session over here. Wait for this areas or change of character in 5-minute time frame to enter in long position. This will be a bit risky entry. Better entry if we get this downtrend getting invalidate, then again starting of new wave. So this will be good if we get change of character, and if this doesn't happen, then we will be watching for more downside. And this area breaks, around 5160, it will be back bearish. So we are just watching here. This is just a range, and if you are not able to understand how range plays, better to avoid trading here and wait for the proper price action to form. So let's wait here if we get this structural area. What is the best candle to enter on? Better candles, there are nothing like that. If you want to enter in any trade, watch for structural areas like this, having a QML area and the order block, both are at the same places. It will work very well. If you have change of character, this area will hold for sure. Could you please send a signal in free group today? There is no signal, brother. The price is not forming any signal. It is forming a sell signals only. See this structural area test. This is breakout structure. Short from here, SL above it, retracement, but even on that direction it is hunting SL. See, structural area, retest short, break above this area, retest short. So current structure is still not changed. It is still this low, which have the breakout structure, and this is all internal structure. Until this high get break and create a change of character in 15-minute time frame, this is the main change of character. This is all a internal structure. That's why I'm telling you that this low should hold. See this? Best thing we can have here is this and sweep. So a possible continuation range for some time again, then retest and pump, and this will be your entry zone around 52. This is the best scenario I can imagine in gold. My stop loss will be below this low. Any other questions? Okay then. Thank you for joining, guys. See you in the next